Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to pin count in Windows 10. And we know we can pin count in the Linux Ubuntu or another such as router, switch or something. That also in Windows 10 we also the pin count. That means we can pin option to count the repeat that the sum that we want to count that for troubleshooting or something that you guys need to be a pin count. So okay, go to SIMD and ping to cloud one. Okay, you can see by default we can ping only reach only send the minute count only 4. So you can ping count as dot 13. Okay, so the last is 100. That means you count as 100. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, so let's wait until we are ping finish for the count as 100. Okay. Okay, you guys can see that the package sent is 100 and it's 100. Okay. So this is for my video today that want to show you how to pin count in Windows 10. Thank you for watching.